So in this video, we are going to learn how to upload files from Pabbly Form Builder responses to Google Drive. Let's say you have created an online form using Pabbly Form Builder and it is a job application form. So the applicant who are filling the form also uploading the resume file in that form. And you want to upload the resume files into a specific folder in Google Drive so that you can save those files for later on. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new form response will be received in Pabbly Form Builder with the file upload, automatically the same file which was uploaded while making the form submission will be uploaded in our Google Drive folder as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen. So as you can see, this is a job application form which I've created using Pabbly Form Builder. And in this form, I'm asking the applicants to upload their resume file as well. Now I want that whenever they make a form submission and upload the resume file in this form, I want to take the same resume file and upload that resume file in a specific folder in my Google Drive. Now to do this, we have to connect this Pabbly Form Builder form with Google Drive. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. Let's click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Form Builder to Google Drive. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with a trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect the form which we have created using Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we receive a new form submission in Pabbly Form Builder, the same form responses with the uploaded file link will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same file and upload that file into a specific folder in our Google Drive account. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger step in Choose App, first we are going to search for Pabbly Form Builder and select it. After selecting Pabbly Form Builder in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Form Submission. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we have to add this webhook URL into the form which we have created in Pabbly Form Builder. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to the Pabbly Form Builder account. After opening this form, from the left sidebar, we will go to Integrations, and after coming to the integration page under Webhook, click on this Add Webhook button. Now here in this pop-up window, paste the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see this webhook is now added in this form, and this form is now connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new form submission from Pabbly Form Builder form. So let's do it. I'll just open this form in preview mode in a new tab and I'm going to enter the details of a new user. Let's say the name of the person is demo user. This is the email address of the applicant and this is a dummy mobile number. Then the position is, for example, brand manager. The total work experience is 3 years. Then here we are going to enter the cover letter, LinkedIn profile and portfolio website. So let me just enter these details over here. Okay, so I have added the cover letter content, the LinkedIn and the portfolio link as well. Now let me just upload a resume file over here. So from my system, I'll just go to download. I have the CV over here. Let me just upload it. So just now in this form, we have entered the details of a dummy user and uploaded the resume file as well. Now let's click on submit. And as you click on submit here, you can see just now in this Pabbly Form Builder form, we have received a new form submission. And because we have connected this form with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received a response. And in this response, we have received all the form responses from Pabbly Form Builder. Here you can see we have the form ID over here. Here you can see in front of upload resume, we have the link of the same resume file, same PDF file which was uploaded in the form submission. As I open this link, you can see the same resume file is downloaded. Then we'll scroll down further and we have rest of the form responses. We have the total work experience, we have the portfolio website link, mobile number, LinkedIn link, last name, first name, email, cover letter content, and also the position for which the user is applying. So the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have connected our Pabbly Form Builder form with Pabbly Connect and captured the form responses. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, we will scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, we will search for Google Drive because we want to save the resume file in our Google Drive folder. After selecting Google Drive, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Upload a File. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on the Sign in with Google button. Then here in this pop-up window, select your Google Drive account. Then after that, just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the file URL. That what is the URL? What is the link of the file which we want to upload in Google Drive? So here what we have done, we have received the file URL from Pabbly Form Builder responses in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we are going to map this response of upload resume file to this Google Drive action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of URL, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Pabbly Form Builder of a new form submission. Out of all of this, select and map the response of the file URL which we want to upload. After mapping the URL, it is asking us for the folder ID, that in which particular folder in our Google Drive account we want to upload this file. And to get the folder ID, we just have to open that particular folder in our Google Drive account. And after that, here in the URL section, after folder / at last, you can see this ID. This is your unique folder ID. Copy the folder ID from here and paste it over here. After pasting the folder ID, it is asking us for the file name. That what will be the name of the file which we are uploading in Google Drive. So I want the file name to be the name of the candidate who is applying, and after a hyphen, I want to write resume. So we'll just click on this field. Once again, we'll use the process of mapping, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then we'll add a space, map the response of last name, and after a hyphen, we are going to write the word resume over here. So we will be having the name of the file as the name of the candidate - resume. After entering all of these details, mapping the URL, entering the folder ID and giving the file name, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the file URL which we have mapped over here, basically the file which we have received from Pabbly Form Builder in form submission as an uploaded attachment, this file is now uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Drive folder, and yes, the same resume file which we have uploaded while making the form submission in Pabbly Form Builder, the same file is now uploaded in Google Drive. This means the automation which we have created between Pabbly Form Builder and Google Drive, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. I'll go back to the same form, refresh this form, and this time we are going to enter the details of a new user. Let's say the name of the person is test user over here. Then this is the email address. This is the dummy mobile number which we are entering. Then the applying position is, for example, PHP developer. The experience is 5 years. This is the cover letter. So let me just enter the cover letter, LinkedIn profile and portfolio website. Okay, so I have entered all of these details. Let me just upload the resume file as well. So from downloads, I'll upload this resume file. And after entering all the details and uploading the file in the form, let's click on submit. And as we click on submit, here you can see just now we have received another form submission in Pabbly Form Builder. And we will see as this form submission is received, instantly within seconds, the file which we have uploaded in this form will be uploaded in Google Drive. So we'll just go to a Google Drive over here and refresh our Google Drive folder once. And yes, here you can see instantly within seconds, the same file which we have uploaded is now uploaded in our Google Drive folder. And we have the file name as the name of the candidate who has applied -resume. So we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you'll find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.